What are you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I offered to take that harness off of you, but you ran away too fast. Looking for a treat. Yes, you did. Should I take it off now? What do you say? Huh? Good girl. That's a good baby. I can't tell. I think that's the right one. I think that's the right one. Oh, yes. Oh, much better. Oh, much better. Yes. Oh, much better. Yeah, much better. Much better for Riley. Yeah, much better for Riley. My sweetie punk. Sweetie punky pie. Nothing for anybody's mouth. No. No. Oh my gosh, you're killing me with that cute face. Killing.